Hello, my name is Similolu. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, I will do some analysis on Bitcoin to try to anticipate its next move. And if you haven't already done so, take a moment to subscribe to this channel so you can get similar content that can help you on your trading journey. I would also appreciate a like. Now, let's get right into it. It's always good to start our technical analysis on the larger time frames. So right here, we have the weekly chart with Heikin Ashi candlesticks. We see this situation, which we're also familiar with. Over the past 7 or 8 weeks, Bitcoin has just been dumping. But two things to take note of. The first thing is Heikin Ashi candles are trend indicators, so they help us identify a trend, but most importantly in this case, to identify a trend reversal. Has Bitcoin decided to head back up? That's the first point to take note of. Second point to take note of on this weekly chart is the fact that on the 10 and the 20 EMA, we have what's looking like a looming death cross. Now, the weekly candle is still not fully formed, but it can still go either way. If price action heads back up, then this death cross will not complete its formation. If price action, however, trends downwards, then we could be looking at more downward action from Bitcoin. However, looking at our daily Bitcoin chart, still with our Heikin Ashi candles, we see the formation of a Doji. Now, a Doji always shows some sort of indecision in the market. So the question is the price heading up or is it heading down? So right now, this doesn't look too great. 24 hours ago, we had the Doji showing. It's remained a red Doji. And today, the new daily candlestick forming is already red. Now, this candlestick, the daily candlestick, forms over a 24-hour period. So anything can happen. This could end up being a good bull flag where there's that little retracement followed by upward swing. Still looking at our daily charts, the rectangle represents this consolidation over the past so many weeks. What we're looking for is a breakout above the top edge of this rectangle. If we can break out from above this rectangle, which is at the price level of $40,500, then we can literally say that we're in the clear and price action then has room to just keep on heading up. Let's fast forward 24 hours to see if there's been any significant breakout or breakdown out of this rectangular box. And the answer to that is no, there's been no significant breakout. It looks like Bitcoin is still planning to range over the next couple of days, unless something significant happens to cause price action to head back up. If there's increased selling pressure, if there's news, it can be a number of factors that could change the trajectory of Bitcoin to break out above the rectangle. But right now, it looks like we're still consolidating. And remember, the number we're looking at is 40,500 to break out and to head back into a true bull market. Moving on to our last charts, we're going to look at price action of Bitcoin against our Fibonacci levels. It's interesting to note that over the last couple of days, Bitcoin has been trending between the 38.2% Fibonacci level and the 50%. Now, it's critical that Bitcoin does not drop below the 50% Fibonacci level. For as long as it's poised in between these levels with the prospect of it breaking out above, it's all looking good. The other thing to note is how price action is staying within the confines of this parallel channel. Now, this parallel channel helps us see this nice formation of a bull flag. So for as long as price action can break above the top of this channel, again, we'll be heading straight back into a bull run. Once Bitcoin is back in a bull run, all the other altcoins are sure to follow. So guys, it's looking good. So keep watching this spot. And so I'll end this video with a quick overview of what's going on with cryptocurrencies today. Enjoy. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button, comment below, because I do use your comments to better inform me of what other content to create. Share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, but most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them, and I'll meet you in the next video.